my channel. How's it going? I hope everybody is well on this beautiful sunny day. It is so bright here, so I'm sorry if the light changes. It is just the most wonderful sunny day. And because of that, I think that's why the postman brought me this today. We've got an unboxing, and this was sent to me by Lunalikes. They contacted me via email and said they had been subscribed to my channel for a while. They really liked my unboxing style, and they wanted to know if they could send me some products for review. And I said yes please, because your things look amazing. I had seen them previously on Instagram and on Lightning Lass's channel, because she did a review for them, and everything just looks so lovely. So I was over the moon when they contacted me and asked if I would do it. So we're just going to jump in. So in the box there's a little letter, I'll read that in a second. There is a business card here, and I will link all of this information down below and pop it on the screen. But the website is www.lunalikes, which is L-U-A-N-A likes.co.uk. Instagram is Lunalikes Official, and Facebook is Lunalikes. So I will link everything down below so you can connect with them on all their social medias. But there is a letter, and it's on the cutest paper. Look at this, and it's handwritten, which is amazing. I think that's so lovely. And it says, "Dear Lucy, thank you so much for doing a review of Lunalikes jewellery. Our webpage is, as I've just told you. If anyone would like to purchase, they can use the code Lucy for 15% off all orders. I've enclosed a few masks that you may have never tried before from Luna." And then on the next page it's got prices for things, but I don't want to look because I don't want to spoil what's in there because I haven't looked yet. But postage and package is £2.25 per order. So we're just going to jump straight in. This is the box, and it's got all the little, I think Michelle calls these wormies. And then everything is just in the middle, so I'm just going to grab things. So the first thing I'm grabbing is a little orange bag. And what have we got in here? Oh, this is pretty. Oh, it's rose gold. I love rose gold. So this is a necklace, and it is a little rose gold disc, and it's got some little sparkly diamondy bits in there. I love these kind of necklaces. It's kind of like a little, I don't know how to describe it, but it's not like a chain necklace. I love these. I'm putting that on now because that is so pretty. So this is this necklace. I'll just zoom you in so you can see it. It is so cute. I love that, like a little disc. Let's have a look and see how much this one is. We've got rose gold disc. This is only £2.95. That's amazing. £2.95, and that looks flinging flanging amazing. Look how pretty that is. I love it. I love rose gold. So that's that one. Next up, this one is heavy in a little black bag. Let's have a look in here. Ooh, ooh. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. It's daisies. And it's got a little tassel on the end. I love me a bit of tasselage. That is that one. And it's got, they're like little pearly beads. This is really heavy. And this looks like it's going to be a longer necklace. If I put this one on as well. Yeah, this one kind of hangs down in between your boobs. So if you had a nice low V on, and not my Jurassic Park t-shirt, because I am such a grown-up, this would be really, really lovely. How pretty is that? I love this tassel. I'm all about the tassel. I love it. This is so exciting. What have we got next? I may have to remove some necklaces before we carry on. Oh, I'm going to take this one off because I'm going to get my hair caught, aren't I? Give me a second. Just don't want to get my hair all caught in it because that's never going to be fun. So you can just sit on the camera for a minute. Right. Next up, we've got another little black bag. What are you? Oh my goodness, this one is beautiful. Oh, look. How gorgeous is that? That is stunning. That's a little tiny silver necklace chain, and then it's got like the, is it called turquoise or aquamarine? Let me look. I haven't actually told you. The long black and white necklace was £3.95. This one, the turquoise one, is £3.95. And so it's got like a little lilac and some blue little beads, and then it's got the big turquoise pendant. That is so pretty. I love this colour so much. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm going to try and put this one on. I might not be able to do this on myself because of my ridiculous nails at the moment. Let's try. Can I do it? I did it! Good job, me! Let me just tuck that one in. So this is the turquoise one. How beautiful is that? Oh my god, I love this one. Oh, I don't know which one I like best. I like both of them. I love both of them. They're so pretty. Yes! Okay, next up, what are you? We've got a little brown baggie. Oh. Oh, this is really cute. That is super cute. Look at this. Oh, excuse me. Face the camera. A little butterfly. And then it's got all these little bits. What's on the bottom? What have we got there? We've got a little flower. And then a little flower stone. And then like a crystally kind of stony doodad on the bottom. That's super pretty. This one is £5.95. That is so lovely. And again, that's got the little it's got the little like a silvery chain on it. So that would be, I think that will end up being the same length as these ones. I really like that. That's super cute for summer. That's perfect. And the little stone inside is kind of like a little amethysty. So cute! I like that one. You can sit on the camera as well. Are you going to stay on the camera or are you going to fall off? Don't fall off. And then the last little one we've got. This looks really interesting. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Okay, this one is on, so this one is on ribbon. And it's just like a big statement piece. Look at these beautiful, these are like the plasticky kind of like resiny kind of, I don't know what these are made of, but they are beautiful. Look at them. That is perfect for summer. Like obviously I'd have to make it shorter, which you can do. It's like, but my brain doesn't know. I think it's just tied up ribbon. So you just shorten it to how long you want it, I think. Let's see if I'm doing this right. So yeah, you just undo it and then you can tie it. So you could have that, like if you imagine if you had like a boob tube on in the summer and just a really nice big statement piece. Obviously this does not go with my Jurassic Park top, but you can kind of get the idea. That is so pretty. I think this one might be my favourite. That is gorgeous. Oh, and it's got the little tiny, look at these little bendy hearts. Like the little folded hearts. I love that. I love this. That's so, so lovely. Or you could wear it around your head, couldn't you? All hippie-fied. I love it. I think this is my favourite. I can't wait for the summer to wear this. Because that is so lovely. The girls are going to want to steal this one. They're going to try and steal it, which is not happening. It's mine. It's mine. I'm not sharing with the children. That one is £3.95. I think the two that I will wear the most is the rose gold disc. I absolutely love that. That is beautiful. And that looks so much more expensive. What was this one again? This is £2.95. That is stunning. And then the turquoisey one. I know I'm going to wear these all the time, so you have to keep an eye out on videos because these are definitely going to become favourites. And then right at the bottom there are some face masks. What have we got here? We've got a Kawami, I'm not very good at pronouncing anything ever. Kawami Placenta Essence face mask. I'm excited to try this. I love face masks. Sheet masks, face masks, get them on my face. This one is a Pure Smile Bee Venom. Oh my god, I've never seen this before. It says horse oil. Horse oil? What is horse oil? That one might be happening this afternoon. Horse oil. Horse oil is rich in unsaturated fatty acid, protein and moisture. Oh, that sounds gross, but I want to put it on my face right now. And then finally, oh, what are you? This one's got a syringe with it. An Uzu face. The Uzu face capsule shot face mask. What? What? I'm so confused. This one might have its own video because I don't understand this at all, but there's a syringe in it and I'm excited. So that is everything in my little box, and then I've got lots of little wormies. I am like, I can't actually believe how affordable all of this stuff is. This is amazing. So I've got 5 necklaces and they go from £2.95, £3.95, and then we've got the one butterfly one. It's £5.95, all super affordable. Use my code, which is Lucy, and you'll get 15% off. I'm blown away by this. I think it's amazing. Thank you so much to Lunalikes for wanting me to do this unboxing. Thank you so much for the little goodie extra bits. These are so cool. And keep an eye out on Instagram because I'm going to be doing all these on Instagram, I think. But yeah, I cannot wait. It needs to hurry up and be summer now so I can wear this because it is so pretty. But I think for now, I'm going to put this one back on because I just love rose gold. I'm just a sucker for anything rose gold. So this one is gonna be on today. And it doesn't look too bad with my t-shirt. I think it's just a little bit right of snazziness. So yeah, thank you for this. Thank you for all these amazing things. If you guys need any more information, just comment down below and I'll try and answer as many questions as I can if you have any. But for the meantime, if you like these kind of videos, give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.